goes with 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 1 16, so 2 8s are 16, so it is 128 whole power 1 by 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 by 7. Again we can write this number 2 to the power of 7. This value is 2 to the power of 7 whole to the power of 1 by 7. This gone, so we will get r as 2. So using this formula we can find the value. We don't know the terms in sequence order. We know that first and last term and the means between them. Using this mean formula we can find the value of r. You will get one bit like this. Second bit, fourth geometric mean of this. Without finding this one, we can find the fourth geometric mean. First geometric, second, third, fourth. This is your fourth. So fourth geometric mean means n equal to what? K we have to suppose here. K equal to 4. Total geometric means are 6. And we know that first term is A is in between we have na A is 2 and B is what? 256. So kth geometric mean is using this formula. Kth geometric mean equal to A into B by A whole power K by n plus 1. Again A is what? A is 2. B is what? 256 by 2. K is what? Fourth. Suppose for K value fourth. And 6 geometric terms are 6 plus 1. 6 terms are there, formula we are taking. Again it get cancelled. So you will get this is 2. It is 128. 4 by 7. So we can write this term as 2 this is nothing but 2 to the power of 7 whole to the power of 4 by 7. 7 get cancelled. So we have that 2 into 2 to the power of 4. 2 into 2 to the power of 4 is what? 16, that is 32. The fourth geometric mean is 32. Like that we can find the solutions. Thank you. Now we are going to start harmonic progression, HM. Harmonic progression. Now harmonic progressions. Harmonic progressions. That is HP. In this again we have same terms T1, T2, T3, T4 Tn. Here we have first term as A. Okay, first term as A. First time we have to write as 1 by A, second term 1 by A plus D. First term we have to take, if in arithmetic progression A, here 1 by A plus 2D the nth term is 1 by T and A plus nth term directly we have to write n minus 1 into D. Whatever is there we have to change in AP. Again we have to, this is in AP, HP. But there is no need to solve any problem in this way. We have to again change this one as A plus D, A plus 2D, because 1 is there in denominator. So there is no need. A plus n minus 1 into D, that is in AP, arithmetic progression. So harmonic progression is reciprocal of arithmetic progressions. All calculations you have to done in arithmetic progression, result should be present in a harmonic progression. Question 1 we have to deal now. If 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10 are in HP. Find T20. 20th term you have to find. So solution, whatever series is there, take reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of HP is AP. Therefore, 2 by 1, 4 by 1, 6 by 1, 8 by 1, 10 by 1 in AP. In 1 means this is, there is no need to write 1 in denominator. So you have to write this is in AP. So this is your first term, this is second term. A equal to 2, D equal to T2 minus T1. That is 4 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. You know, 2 difference is there, A is there, correct. So this series in AP, the reciprocal of that is in HP. What you have to do here, you have to find which term? 20th term. T20 in AP is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term formula. So in place of n, we have to put 20. T20 equal to A is what? 2 plus this is 20 minus 1. D is was again 2. So this is nothing but 2 plus 19 into 2. So 2 plus 19 to the 38. So it is 40. The 20th term of the series is 40. Now this is 40, but you have in a bits, you have a bits 40, B bit 1 by 40, C bit 40 minus 1, D all. So you have to see that this is in AP, the reciprocal of this T20 of this is 1 by 40, it is in HP. 1 by 40 is your solution. So like this we can find the solution. 20th term was 40 in AP. So 20th term reciprocal of this 1 by 40. So this is an HP. B bit is your solution. If A, B, C are in AP, then 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in dash. A bit AP, B bit HP, C bit GP, D bit none. So whenever AP, reciprocal of the terms are in HP. Okay. Suppose question number 3. If 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP, then reciprocal A, B, C are in dash. Again bits are there, AP, GP, B bit, this is B bit, this is a C bit, that is HP, D none. Whenever a series in AP, reciprocal of all the terms are in always HP. So like this we can find the number of terms. And one more question is very important one, that is mean between arithmetic progression, mean between harmonic. Question 4, very important one. If A, B, C are in HP, then harmonic mean is A bit B equal to A plus C by 2AC, B bit B equal to 2AC by A plus C, C bit B equal to AC by A plus C, D none. Remember that whenever A, B, C are in harmonic means The V value is 2 times of AC divided by sum of this. This is your solution. You have to remember or by heart, whenever A, B, C are in HP, directly they are in HP. So harmonic mean between these, B is related to 2AC by A plus C. The value of B is this. Okay, this is very important. Harmonic mean between the two terms. This is very important relation. Next question, question number 5. What is that? If capital A, capital G, capital H are arithmetic mean, comma, geometric mean, A represent arithmetic, G represent geometric mean, H represent harmonic mean. Okay, then relation you have bits here. Remember that A is less than or equal to G, arithmetic mean is less than or equal to geometric mean, and this is less than harmonic mean. Second bit is there. Second bit is what? A, arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean, and this is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. C bit, geometric mean is greater than or equal to arithmetic mean, and this is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. D bit, harmonic mean is greater than or equal to arithmetic mean, and this is greater than or equal to geometric mean. Remember that whenever if you are taking a mean of a arithmetic mean, geometric mean or harmonic mean, they are we representing this with A, G, H. So relation is there, always A is greater than G, G is greater than H. So the least value is H, and middle value is G, and A value is more. So arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean, and this part is greater than H. So B is the solution for fifth one questions. Now one more question, question number 6 is there for geometric. The 4 harmonic means between the 4 geometric means between 1 by 12 and 1 by 42 are A bit 1 by 18, comma 1 by 6, comma 1 by 32, 1 by 36. B bit 1 by 18, 1 by 24, 1 by 9, 1 by 5. C bit 1 by 18, 1 by 24, 1 by 30, 6, 1 by 42. D bit 1 by 18, 1 by 24, 1 by 30 and 1 by 36. So if you want to find for our geometry, change this one 12 to 42. In between that we have to have 4 sequential order number. Here 18, 6 is there, here 5 and 9 is there, here 36, after 24 there is a difference, here 6, here 12 and 6. So take the difference of denominators, here we are getting 6, 6, 6. So after this, before this you have 12, after that again 6, you will get this. So D is your answer. Just seeing the difference with these two, if the numbers have the same difference in denominator including these two, so we can say they are in series. If this series means these 4 terms are there, all are have 4 terms. So 4 geometric mean, arithmetic, sorry, 4 harmonic means are 1 by 18, 1 by 24, 1 by 30 and 1 by 36. First term is 12, 1 by 12, and last term is 1 by 42. All have 6 difference in denominator. That means we have to change these into first AP. You will get 18, 24, 30, 36, 6 difference. Again 42 minus 36 also 16, 18 minus 12 also 16. So 6. That's why we will get all are in same common ratio. So these are in HP. Without calculation we can find these also. Once again see all these questions. Okay, nth term of GP is AR n minus 1. Sum of squares of n terms equal to these and these bits are there. We have to select n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n is related to this. Sigma n is related like this. Using this formula we can say that this is third bit. Sum to n terms of GP is R less than 1. Sn equal to these and these are there. 4 bits are given. This is for geometric series, this is also geometric series, any arithmetic series, these two. R is less than means B is our solution, and 6 terms of a series whose nth term is given. Nth term is given, we have to substitute n equal to, bits are these. In this one, if you substitute n plus 6 plus 1, 2 to the 12 plus 1, 6 cancel, 7 into 13, that is 91 d bit. Like that we can find number of problems. Question 6. If T1 equal to 5, T30 equal to 25. Sum of 30 terms, then sum of 30 terms. First bit 900, second bit 450, 750, for second, third, fourth bit is 150. First term 5, 30th term is 25, then sum of 30 terms. Now we know that first and last and the number of terms also. So we know this formula, that is sum to n terms equal to n by 2 a plus l. 30 terms, n equal to 30 we have to put here. Sum to 30 terms equal to 30 by 2. A is what? First term. Last term is what? 25. So this is nothing but 30 by 2 is 15. 2 ones are to 15s are. Okay. You will get 15 into 30. 4, 15 3s are 45, 0. So bit, second bit is here answer. Question number 7. Nth term of the series 1 into 4 plus 3 into 7. This is a double series of arithmetic 1. Okay. 1, 3, 5 first series. 4, 7, 10 another series. Now we have to find which term is this. 2n plus 1. A bit, B bit is given. 2n minus 1 and 3n plus 1. C bit n plus 1, 3n plus 1. D bit is n and this is 3n plus 1. Now first separate the numbers 1, 3, 5. This is first series. So find that 1, 3, these are odd numbers. If you put 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, minus 1, 1, we are getting 1. Again put 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 3, yes, this is correct, and this is also there. Here we have terms, here we are not getting, so this is not our solution. For first series these two are there. Now take the second series, 4, 7 and 10. So 4 numbers here. When n equal to 1, put here 1 into 1, for 1 we are getting this value. Second term this is there. 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1 3, this is not there. Substitute here 1, for 1 it is correct, for 1 here you have to check. 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, so this is your answer. Just put the value and find it. There is no need to separate, find the nth term of this. Nth term of this is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is what? 1. N is what? Here first n is n, we have to substitute, and d is 2. Suppose this is our nth term, so this is nothing but 1 plus 2n plus minus 2. So this is nothing but 2n minus 1. So first time you will get from first series, and second series you have to take again n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this one, first term is 4. N we don't know, we have to put at is it, difference between is 3. So this is 4 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, 3n plus 1. So this is first term into second term. So this the B is the correct bit. Okay. A simple way is there, substitute the values directly and do that. Again one more question. The three arithmetic means between the three arithmetic means between 3, 19 are. Three arithmetics means bits are there. Using bits we have to find the solution. Easy. Second bit we are taking 7 11, 7 11, 15. Third bit we are taking 6 11, 16. Fourth bit is there 8 11, 14. Okay, see the difference. 5 minus 3, first number to first number, 5 minus 3 2. Again 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, this is 6. Here not getting that 6, so this is not a that one. Here uptake this minus this 4, this minus this 4, 19 minus this 4, 7 minus 4, this is series. Here 5, here 5, this 19 minus 16 3. So this is not series. So this is your answer. 8 minus 3 5, 11 minus this 3. So this is not an answer. So whenever arithmetic means are there, take the difference of this term, compare with first and last one. If you are getting the same one, that is your answer. Very simple one. This is very simple one. If A, B, C are in GP, then A by B is dash. Bits are there, BC, BA, AC, third bit, fourth bit, CA. Solution. Which one is there? For GP is what? R. R is what? T2 by T1 and T3 by T2 and T4 by T3. So here we have to compare B by A equal to what? C by B. Here given is A by B, reciprocal of this A by B, reciprocal. So we have to take again reciprocal of this also, B by C. Where is that? A bit. So A bit is your answer. So sometime the value will be, ratios will be inverted. So we have to compare the inverted ratio of B by A by B, then B, C by B, B by C. So whenever this equal to this, the reciprocal part also equal. So this is a tricky questions. Now question number 10. Now question is there, 10th question. Three numbers are in GP. Their sum is 21. Three numbers in GP, their sum is 21 and their product is 216. The numbers are. Now if you solve using GP formula, that is AR comma AR. If you using this formula, you can find the value, but it will take time. A shortcut for this is what? Just compare, take the GP values. If they are in GP, put there, otherwise cancel it. Here take 6 by 3 to 12 by this is in GP, 9, 6, 12. So these are not in GP. Why? Because 6 by 9 not equal to 12 by this. Again, this is how much? 12, 15 by 12 is 4 by 5 by 3. Here if you take this 18 by 15, again this is 6 by 5. So this 5 by 3, 6 by 5, not ratio. Here 3 and this by this is not there. So first is your answer. Check that whether these are not. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 12, 21. Now multiply it. 3 9s are, the 3 6 are 18. 18 into 12. 18 into 12. Multiply it, 2 6, 2 8s are 16. Carry 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. And 8 18. So this is 6. This is 1 2 16. So like that we can find that just GP means we have to check how many bits are in GP. Then take the sum and take the product. This is a shortcut. If you use this formula, it is a lengthy one. You have to calculate half page of work, then you will get the answer. Otherwise, this is a very logic one. Just see the different ratios of the terms. If they are in ratio, then check that condition. Sum should be 21, product should be the given number. Okay. So these are the important questions. Inshallah, you will get in your competitive exams. Thank you.